Hi folks, welcome to this little video on how to self-install a Meraki access point. Meraki is now part of the Cisco company, so all of their products have been rebranded. This is how you take the unit out of the box. It's very well packaged, and essentially you just lift the access point out of the box. Inside the box are some screws mounted on a plastic or rubber insert. You can use these if you optionally wanted to install the unit on a ceiling, or if you wanted to mount it on a wall. We won't be doing that as part of this video. On the side of the box are the serial number and MAC address of the particular access point. You can slide the back panel off. This is the mounting panel very easily. You just simply pull it down towards the bottom of the unit itself. Those are the mounting holes. This is the back of the device showing the Ethernet port on the back. This is gigabit Ethernet, and on the left there you can see the power adapter port. That's the round one. It's important to note that Merakis don't come with a power adapter. All they come with is the unit itself and the mounting plate. Now we're going to actually install the access point itself using a power injector. The power injector works essentially like a power adapter, but provides power using the supplied Ethernet cables. There are two ports, one goes to the wall outlet and the other one goes to the actual access point itself. You need to of course have some power for the injector. So we plug in one port here into the injector, we take the cable and then we patch it into the wall outlet, or in this case it's a floor outlet, but that's the same thing. We're then going to patch the other part of the injector using the cable supplied into the actual access point itself. Notice how the lights will come on both indicators, LED indicators on the injector, once we've plugged it into the back of the access point. We just slide down the mounting plate gently and patch in. It's important to note that we're actually just demonstrating this on the floor. You could of course be putting the access point on a desk or on a shelf. If you wanted assistance to install it on a wall or a ceiling, then you need to contact your IT department to do this. Now we're going to look at actually installing or patching directly into a switch. If you have access to do that, you may want to site the access point, for example, very near the switch. The advantage of doing this is if you have a switch that provides power, they're called a power over Ethernet switch, you don't need to use the injector. If you just have a switch that, like the 3CON one in the video there at the start, that doesn't provide power, then you still need to use the injector, just like you would have done in the first part of the film. We're using a Cisco 2960X switch here, which provides power over the Ethernet. There's no need to have a power adapter. We just simply take the cable, patch straight into the switch, into a spare port. Very, very simple. The power injector is automatically powered using the voltage of the switch.